Hello everyone, welcome back to lesson 6 of the beginner grammar course. I'm Ali as always, and today we're diving into adjectives, those amazing words that help us describe the world around us. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to use adjectives to describe people, places, and things. Let's get started. So here's the question again. What is an adjective? Adjectives are words we use to describe nouns. They tell us more about the size, color, shape, or quality of a person, place, or thing. For example, she is a tall girl. The sky is blue. This is a delicious cake. As you can see on the screen, there are some nouns inside the clouds. Angry, sad, depressed, beautiful, small, big, tall. They are all adjectives. Now, I will give you some sentences. Just listen carefully to identify the adjectives or the nouns that you think they are adjectives in the sentences. The book is interesting. He has a fast car. They live in a small house. Think about it. What words are new here? Exactly. Interesting, fast, and small. They are the words describing the noun. We call them adjectives. But here's a question. How do we use adjectives? Let's learn. Adjective placement would be before a noun or after the verb to be. For example, she is a tall girl. Before a noun, we have tall. So the adjective is tall. The sky is blue. After the verb to be, we have blue. This is a delicious cake. Before the noun cake, we have delicious, which is describing the cake. The book is interesting. Interesting is describing the book, so it's an adjective. Okay, very good. Let's continue. Let's see some examples. I will give you some time to think about the pictures on the screen and give an example adjective for each picture. Very good. For the first one, we can say, it is a tall animal. For the second one, we can say, this is a fast car. For the third picture, we can say, she has a blue bag. Very good. This time, let's put the adjectives in a different position. This giraffe is tall after the verb to be. This car is nice. She has a shirt and it is purple. Okay, so we learned how to use adjectives. And now we know the position of adjectives in a sentence. Now let's use adjectives to describe something real. Imagine you're describing your favorite room in your house. Here's an example. My bedroom is small but cozy. The walls are white and the bed is very comfortable. It is a nice room in the house. I have two big posters on the walls. The posters are unique. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and describe your favorite room using at least 3 adjectives. When you're ready, write your description in the comments below. As your homework, write 5 sentences describing your house or your car or whatever you want. Use at least 3 different adjectives in your sentences. Congratulations! You have finished your 6th lesson. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified about your next lesson. In lesson 7, we'll talk about prepositions, those tricky little words that tell us where and when something happens. See you next time!